Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. This video is for students of Standard 3 subject Grammar. Today's thought: the best way to predict your future is to create it. Instead of predicting what is going to happen tomorrow, you should work hard and you should change your future for good. The good habits that all of you must follow: be a good friend, be friendly with everyone, speak softly, don't yell, do not shout, help others, those who are in need, cover your cough and sneeze, share the things with others, raise your hand when you are sitting in a group, say please and thank you. These are very, very good words. Greet others, like you say good morning, good afternoon, that is called greeting, and asking someone, how are you? Be a good listener. Listen to your teachers, your parents attentively. Lesson 16, the next chapter of your grammar textbook. Lesson 16, conjunctions. You can check your textbook, the 16th worksheet of your textbook, conjunctions. Explanation: what is a conjunction? Learning some examples. With the help of examples, I will explain what are conjunctions and we will solve some of the textual exercises. So before we begin, I hope you have already given the heading. You should not wait for me to tell you. The heading has to be given compulsorily. Now let us understand about the topic conjunctions. Lesson 16, conjunctions, explanation and solving the textual exercises. So what is a conjunction? The first question: what is a conjunction? A word that joins two words or sentences is called conjunction. The most important thing about conjunction is that it is called joining words. It joins the two words, or it may join the two sentences. So most important thing is joining. It joins the two things. It joins the two sentences. That is called conjunction. See, the example is given. The dog is faithful and intelligent animal. Two qualities are given of a dog: faithful and intelligent. So here the two words are joined, faithful and intelligent. In between there is a conjunction, and is a conjunction which is used for joining. I want to go to play, but I am sick. What is the conjunction? But. So two sentences are there. I want to go to play. I am sick. See the boy who is sick, who is resting on the bed. He cannot go out to play because he is sick. So he says that I want to go to play, but I am sick. So here but is the conjunction which shows contrast. Is it Thursday or Friday today? What is the conjunction over here? Or is the conjunction which is joining the two words, Thursday or Friday. Is it Thursday or Friday today? Or is joining word. The words and, but, or are conjunctions, connecting words. So we saw all the sentences in which the conjunctions were and, but, or, that are called conjunctions. These three words which are connecting words, they join the sentences or they join the words. A conjunction connects words or group of words or short sentences. There are some words which are joined, or there is a short sentence. There are two short sentences which are joined with the help of conjunction. We use or to show a choice between two or more options. When you want to show options, when you want to give a choice of two things, this or that, when you want to give a choice, we use or. When there are two or more options, when you are giving at least two options or more than two options, at that time you can use or. Or is choice conjunction. What would you like? What would you prefer? An ice cream or an chocolate or a chocolate? So here ice cream or chocolate, there are two options which are given. So what would you prefer? An ice cream or chocolate? Two things are given, right? These are options. These are the two options which are given. So we write or. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. When you want to combine two same things you want to combine, you can use and. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. See, here and is used, right? This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. So these are the two sentences. This Friday is a holiday. I would like to go to the fair. These are two same type of sentences. So we use and over here for joining. We use but to show difference or an opposite idea. When do we use but? When you want to show two opposite things, opposite ideas, we can use but for showing the difference. Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. See, opposite ideas are there. He plays well. Impatient player means he cannot have patience. He just takes the action very quickly without thinking. So these are opposite. So we use but. Player is good, but he is not having patience. So opposite ideas are there, joined with the help of but. Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. Joining words. Look at the following sentences. See how the words are joined over here. Oranges and lemons are good for health. The hare and the tortoise had a race. Tom and Jerry must stop fighting. In these sentences above, the word and joins two naming words. See, two naming words are joined over here. Here oranges, lemons are joined, oranges and lemons, right? Here the two naming words are hare and tortoise. Here Tom, Jerry. So two naming words are joined with the help of and. Here, sometimes a joining word can connect two sentences too. Two sentences can also be joined with the help of naming words. With the help of conjunctions, we can also join two sentences. See, the snake appeared, the little bird flew away. So the snake appeared and the little bird flew away, and is used in between. Wake up and get ready to attend the party, and in between. Wake up and get ready to attend the party. They have lions in Africa, but they don't have tigers. But is used in between. Lions are there, tigers are not there. So but, opposite situation. You can see that there are actually two sentences in each of the above mentioned sentences. See the first one. See the first sentence. There are two sentences in this, like it is given. The snake appeared, the little birds flew away. It is joined with the help of and. The snake appeared and the little bird flew away. So those are the two sentences which are joined with the help of and. Now let us solve some of the textual exercises. So while solving the textual exercises, I want to tell you that answers are to be written compulsorily in the rough book. If you have the textbook, you may write the answers in the textbook also, but make sure that you write with pencil. If there is any change, you can do it. First, we have the warm-up exercise. Before we start any of the lessons, we have got warm-up exercise, which is a kind of revision exercise from your previous standard. These sentences tell us about bees. Use the joining words in the box to complete the sentences. So there are 5 sentences given. See, A, B, C, D, E. In all these 5 sentences, you can only use and, but, so. And, but, so. These sentences are about bees. Let us read. Number 1. Bees are tiny insects. Dash. They are very hardworking. We can write any one from these 3. See, 2 opposite qualities are given. Tiny, hardworking. They are tiny, they are hardworking. So these are 2 opposite things. So when opposite things are given, what do we use? And, but, so. The first one is but. Let's write the answer. See that you are writing full sentence in the rough book. Bees are tiny insects, but they are very hardworking. Bees are strong, dash, very hardworking. Strong, hardworking are 2 same qualities. They are the same kind of qualities. So we use and. Bees are strong and hardworking. And. Number 3. Their wings are very strong. Dash, they can fly huge distances. So and but, which one is correct? Their wings are very strong. So they can fly huge distances. What do we write over here? So. So they can fly huge distances. Reason is given because see the strong, that's why they can fly. So they collect nectar from flower. Dash, make the best honey. They collect nectar from flowers and make the best honey. These are 2 same kind of sentences. So we use and. A and D. And. They collect nectar from flower and make the best honey. They store nectar in their hive. Dash, they make huge honeycombs. So they make they store the nectar in their hive. So they make huge honeycomb. You see honeycombs, we have seen many honeycombs at different places. So here we write so. They store nectar in their hive. So they make huge honeycombs. So these 5 answers we have written. The warm-up exercise is over. Now read these sentences which are given. Rupa and Zara are friends. Do you want an apple or an orange? I studied hard, but the exam was bad. The highlighted words help to join 2 words or sentences. A word that joins 2 words or sentences is called a conjunction. See, 2 words are joined or 2 sentences are there. Rupa, Zara are 2 words which are joined. Here, apple, orange are joined. I studied hard. The exam was bad. So here contrast. So but here choice is given apple and orange. So a word that joins 2 words or sentences is called conjunction. These are the 3 conjunctions examples. Now we will solve exercise number 1 of your chapter 16 conjunctions. In all there are 4 exercises. This is exercise number 1. See that you are writing all the answers properly with neat and clean handwriting. Look at the picture and complete these sentences with or and but. We can use these three options in the answer. Which are the three options? Or, and, but. You can use these three for writing the answer. Number 1. Poonam has a pet cat dash a pet dog. See, two pets are there, cat and dog. This is Poonam. Poonam has a pet cat dash pet dog. So what do we write? And or but. Any one we can write. See, there are two pets, right? Same kind of sentence is given. Pet. Here also it is pet. So it is same kind. So we write and. A-N-D. And. Poonam has a pet cat and a pet dog. Here we have to write and. Number 2. The dog is brown dash the cat is grey. See, the dog is brown, the cat is grey. This is opposite. Means one's color is brown and one's color is grey. So what do we have to write? But. Here we have to write but. Let us write the answer. See that you are writing along with me. There should be no doubt that answers are completed with the video. Number 3. Does Poonam like the cat dash the dog? What do we write? Or and but. Does Poonam like the cat or the dog? Here we write or. O-R. Or. Does Poonam like the cat or the dog? She loves both her cat dash her dog. Both. She loves both. So these are equal. Her cat, her dog. So we write and because she loves both of them. Cat and dog. She loves both her cat and dog. Here we complete exercise number 1. Let us solve exercise number 2. There are 10 sentences in exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is really very important from all the 4 exercises. Write all the answers, give the heading, fill in the blanks with or and but. Again we have the same options. Means you can use this 3 words only for writing the answer. Which are the 3 words? Or and but. Or and but for writing the answers. Number 1. I walked fast dash I missed the train. I walked fast dash I missed the train. What do we write? Or and but. These are two opposite things. Walking fast, the train went away. So opposite things are there. So we write but. I walked fast but I missed the bus, not the train. But it is one and the same thing. You can write train also. Leela dash Rima are twins. And or but. Both are sisters. So and or but. We write and. Leela and Rima are twins. Write and in the answer because the same kind of thing it is. I wanted to buy the jacket dash it was too expensive. Wanted to buy the jacket and it was too expensive, or it was too expensive but it was too expensive. So the perfect answer is but. I wanted to buy the jacket but it was too expensive. But means opposite thing, and expensive means very costly, which cannot be bought by us. Very costly. Number 4. Hurry up dash you will miss the flight. hurry up dash you will miss the flight. So three options we have already, and, or, but. Hurry up or you will miss the flight. We write or you will miss the flight. That is an option which is given. Hurry up or you will miss the flight means any one thing is possible. Both the things are not possible. Either you hurry up or you miss the flight. Next. Do you like the sunrise dash the sunset? Again opposite things are given. Means options are given. I am asking you from these two which one do you like? The sunrise, the sunset. So here also we write or. Hurry up or you will miss the flight. Same way over here. Do you like the sunrise or the sunset? Meera dash. I love to go to the library. Meera dash I love to go to the library. So both of us we like to go to the library. So there we write and because it is the same kind of sentence. Meera and I love to go to the library. Then after that number 7. I need a pen, a pencil dash and eraser. Pen, pencil and eraser. Because three things are given. See, there are two commas. Now you cannot put any more comma. A pen, a pencil. Here also there will be one comma. A pen, a pencil and. Here we write and in the answer. Let's write it. A-N-D and. I need a pen, a pencil and an eraser. Number 8. I do not like the blue car dash I like the red car. Opposite situation. One car he doesn't like but the other one he likes. So opposite situations are there. One thing you like and one thing you dislike. So we use but. I do not like the blue car but I like the red car. So here we write but. See that you are all writing the answers either in the textbook with pencil. Preeti likes vegetables dash fruits. Is it opposite over here? No, it is the same kind of thing. Means both the things she likes. Both are her likes. So here we use and. Let us write and. Preeti likes vegetables and fruits. And number 10. We want to go to the mountains dash. It is very cold. Want to go to the mountains but it is very cold. Opposite situation. We want to go but we cannot because there is very cold. The atmosphere is very chilling or very cold atmosphere. So, but for opposite situation, contrasting situation. Here we complete exercise number 2. Let us revise today's exercises and what we have understood in a chapter conjunctions. Conjunction, join the two words or sentences like faithful and intelligent. I want to go to play but I am sick. Is it Thursday or Friday today? So and, or, but are conjunctions. It joins the two short sentences or group of words. We use or when you want to show the choice. We use and when we want to show that two things are same, similar. We use but to show the opposite ideas or the difference between two things. See here, plays well and impatient player are opposite things, so we use but. Then we had seen some example sentences. We had started with the textual exercises. Let us revise the warm-up exercise. See that you have written the correct answer in your textbook or not. Bees are tiny insects but they are very hard working. Bees are strong and very hardworking. Their wings are very strong, so they can fly huge distances. They collect nectar from flower and make the best honey. They store nectar in their hive, so they make huge honeycombs. Read these sentences. Rupa and Zara are friends. Do you want an apple or an orange? I studied hard, but the exam was bad. So, a word that joins two words or sentences is called conjunction. We had solved exercise 1. See, I am speaking the answers. Be very careful. Poonam has a pet cat and a pet dog. The dog is brown, but the cat is grey. Does Poonam like the cat or the dog? She loves both her cat and her dog. Exercise 2 we have done. I walked fast, but I missed the bus. Leela and Reema are twins. I wanted to buy the jacket, but it was too expensive. Hurry up, or you will miss the train or the flight. Do you like the sunrise or the sunset? Meera and I love to go to the library. I need a pen, a pencil, and an eraser. I do not like the blue car, but I like the red car. Preeti likes vegetables and fruits. We want to go to the mountains, but it is very cold. So that was exercise number 2 we completed in today's video. Thank you and have a nice day.